In this section, let's look at how the filters work in a dashboard and how we can affect multiple views in the same filters in a dashboard. Let's create a worksheet first. For example, I can take high value date and then I put the company, the color. I use bar chart. I just swap the rows and columns. So, okay. And then I can use the company, the color here. I'll put filter. Okay, show filter. I'll use, I guess that's it. Now I'll create a second sheet and I'll use low and then date. Swap this, but I don't like horizontal lines. I like vertical lines. And then I put a color company in the color. You get this? See, you see, I am not adding a filter here. So now I'll create a dashboard. I'll use horizontal. I'll put a sheet 2 here. Then I'll add one more horizontal object and put sheet 3 here. Okay. So this is a default preview. I'm not using a phone preview. I'm using a default preview. And this is how it is. What I see. Uh, okay. Now, um, if I just remove this filter, remove all, only this view is affected. This view is not affected. So there are two ways of doing it. One way is like you know I can just click here and add this filter to context. So I can apply to worksheets, and I can either you know I can use selected worksheets, or I can apply it to everything that is coming from this data source. So I'll use everything coming from data source, and it immediately gets filtered. Let's see only Apple. So now both the views are getting changed. Okay, so this is one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is, suppose I don't add it here, I just keep it only to this worksheet, uh, and then so you see this is not getting changed. Now another way of doing it is, what I'll do is, one thing also you have to check is I cannot delete this because this is used in this dashboard, so I don't get a delete option here. But the moment I remove this dashboard, I delete the dashboard, I can see all delete options enabled here. So in this case, what I'll do is I'll remove this sheet. I'll create a new sheet. I'll do the same thing. Um, I'll add company in the colors. Okay. Now another way of doing the same thing is you have filters here. Now filters you can create locally or globally. So you can create global filters. What you will do is you can apply to worksheets here, and I'll do the same options, or all using this data source. Okay, so here you see it automatically gets added. So the moment I create a dashboard now, uh, and then I add one more object. The moment I create this, now if I can control both the stuff from here. So you can do it both the ways. Okay, so this is how we apply filter across two different views.